guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys what else I'm going to be taking for my trip. I ended up planning on, I ordered clothes, but I still want to take some new clothes I haven't worn yet. So that's what this video is going to be about. We're also going to be explaining some stuff while I'm taking it. And also I might be like not taking stuff. I just pulled a couple of things out. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm thinking about when traveling is sleepwear, because you have to go to sleep eventually. So look, I am going to be taking my loungewear. I have not worn these yet. So this is it. I have a set of these. There's two. I have the cream color, the gray ones, and I have the pants to match. I like both of these, but they're definitely a pair I prefer more over the other ones. These are tighter. The gray ones are more comfortable. They're more stretchy. These are stretchy too, but they're just tighter. But the good thing is that they'll keep me warm, because I hear that Canada cold is a different kind of cold that I don't want to experience, but kind of want to. But yeah, these are like cropped shirts. They're very soft. I'm gonna be wearing these in the hotel. I kind of want to walk around with them as well. I'll just put a jacket on with some boots or some like thick socks. I don't know. But we're gonna be in the city, so it's gonna be cold, but I also want to be comfortable, because like it's a park I think we're nearby that I want to go visit. I also think they got a botanical gardens I want to go see, and I think this would be cute to walk around in. You also want to be just be cozy. I have not worn these, like I said, so I'm excited to wear them. Perfect occasion. I got these for like $25 each. All of these pieces, the tops the piece was $25 each. The pants were $25 each. I got these on sale, so I'm pretty sure they're way more now. But I got it on Black Friday, so I got a really good deal. I just really like the shirts. They're so soft. And I like the details on the pants. Like they're both different. You have these, it's thicker up here, and they have like a rope tie, and they're tight at the bottom as well. These are also tight at the bottom, but these are kind of like lower, but that's what the band is for, and they're stretchier. So I really like this whole set. This will also be a good like car ride trip, like outfit to ride around during this road trip. So on the road, I really wanted to wear one of the lounge sets, but I also just wanted to wear flannel because I wanted to be comfortable. Those are comfortable, but I don't know why road trips just make me think of plaid. It makes me think of people in the movie. They're always traveling on the road in like flannels. Is it just me? I don't know, but I'm gonna wear like this with like a black tank top under, probably with like some joggers. I have some gray joggers, some different gray joggers I'm wearing right now, because you want to be comfortable on the road. We're gonna be going for 16 hours, driving for 16 hours. I have never drove more than 1 hour, y'all. So this is definitely a big deal. We're cutting it in half, but it'll be okay. I'm gonna stay awake. I'm gonna listen to music. I got my jokes. I got my questions. I'm like the perfect road trip friend, because I bring all that to make you stay awake. Also a lot of snacks. You gotta have your snacks. But yeah, I'm just gonna wear my flannel with a tank top and pant joggers, like some socks and slides, because it's all about comfort when you're driving for like a long time. The longest I've been in the car before was like 12 hours when I was driving from my other hometown to get here. That's it, 12 hours. But yeah, so it's actually not that bad. It's like 4 extra hours, and I stay up all the whole time. I don't know why, but it's like at the same time I wasn't driving. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be different, but yeah, I'm gonna wear it because it's just comfortable. Okay, so I'm taking my cream colored dress because I kind of want to make it into a top. I'm not wearing this as a dress, but it's little cute pants. I love tucking it in, and I could just easily fold this up. And I kind of want to pair it with the blazer. I was kind of debating if I wanted to take it, but I think it's a really cute outfit together. I wore it before. So this is how it would be. And I have some cute shoes. I'm gonna wear my chunky boots, white boots, because they're coming too, because it's going to be cold, and these keep me warm. I've worn these like 2 times, but they kept me warm all the time. I wore them through an ice storm where I'm at, so yeah, they'll last. But I really wanted to take this because the blazer is just so cute, and I really wanted to look cute in Toronto, y'all. I ordered I got sweaters, but like I still want to look cute. I really wish I had bought the pants to these. I really wish I bought the pants to these to the suit, because they were just very, I think they're like $100. I didn't even know this blazer was like $170. I got this on sale for like $20, y'all. So pretty little thing. They get you right. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna take the cute accessories to accessorize it, and my cute little purse and tote, and it'll be all together. I am also, like I said, I'm gonna take my chunky boots because I really want to be warm, and they go with everything. That's why I got them, which I'll show last. Another thing I'm debating on taking, guys, is this. I have a top that y'all have seen before. but I don't know if I want to take it because look at it. It's like it's a crop top. It show a lot of breasts, but it's so pretty. But at the same time, I will be freezing in this, so I guess I'll summon it up that I'm not taking it. I really wanted to wear it out. I guess if I was going to like a warmer place, I was going to like New York. But it's actually no, because it's getting cold everywhere. So it's not just like Canada. It's not just like America. Everywhere it's getting cold. But it would have been so pretty to wear this. It's just that I would be freezing. My boobs would be freezing. Nipples would be hard because it's freezing. And it's a crop top. So I would just be cold. And I'm not wearing anything. I don't wear anything. I don't wear tank top under this. No, because I can't devalue the beauty of this shirt. I'm not wearing a tank top under this. So I guess I won't take it. It's so pretty though. One day you'll lead a country. One day you'll lead a country and I'll be able to wear it. But not this time. I really wish is my black blazer. I wasn't going to take this because I'm like, what am I going to wear it with? But I love this oversized blazer. I love them so much. And now that I think about it, idea. I ordered a couple of sweaters and I have a vest. I have a white and black vest. It's so pretty. It's like a white and it's like a V line with the black. That'll be so cute with this, with a gold necklace, because I ordered a gold necklace as well. So I am taking this because the oversized will look so cute with the sweater, and I just think it'll go really well with the white boots. I told y'all white boots go with everything, especially when you pair the outfits. I'm trying to be smart about this time. I'm trying to be smart about the unpacking because I'm going to be there 4 days, and I actually want to plan for like outfits. So these are the boots I'm taking. Y'all seen them. I wore them like twice. I take pictures in them, but I've not worn these really outside at all. I wore them in the ice storm. They saved my life. I wore these to class. Got many compliments. So I was like, okay, I'm taking these. Also, brown goes with everything, so I think this will just look really cute too with my pants. With my jeans, pants, whatever. And then, last but not least is, my other scarves are at home, so I am taking this one. But the only thing is that it's very soft. We get a lot of compliments on this one too because it's a really big scarf, but this thing sheds like crazy. My black shirt the other day was like filled with hairy doll. So that's the only bad thing about it. But it's really cute. Don't ask me why am I holding heels, y'all, when I just said it might snow in Canada. Because they did say it might snow and be cold. I still gotta look good. I'm taking one pair of heels. One pair of heels. Because I want to take pictures in the city with them, okay? Even if I just go out there and just put them in like, have my tennis shoes on. I'm also taking my white Pumas because I need some more tennis shoes. So I'm taking my white Pumas. They'd be really cute with the, like a casual look with the sweater and the oversized blazers. It'd be really cute. But I am taking these because I might go to a fancy dinner, you never know. But I do want to eat local food though, so. I just want to look cute, so this is for pictures. I have to take pictures. My feet might be freezing. Toes might fall off, but I need a good picture. You just got to look good, okay? It's gonna be work. And that is all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to show you guys what I like. I'm just adding to this. I have the stuff I ordered for my trip at home. I actually got to return the pants. The pants they're too big. I went up a size. And their sizes, which is like extra 2 sizes, I wish they did it. I wish they just had one more, but no, it's like double digits. So I just wanted to make sure. But those were way too big, so I was like, no, I have to take them back. I can't wear them. They're too tight, and they just look weird because they're too big. So I'm going to return those pants, and I'm going to get my money back. But other than that, everything else is good. I'm just going to add to the collection. I'm taking everything except the gold, except for my beautiful gold shirt. It's just too cold to take it, so I'm not even gonna risk it. I have more than enough clothes to make outfits. Accessory wise, I'm good. I ordered like a whole thing of earrings. I'm gonna take some more earrings. Y'all seen the video with some of the makeup I'm taking. Other than that, I'm ready. All I have to do is do my hair. Y'all look, it's time, you know. I will be bleaching it Sunday. I'll be cutting it, shaving it, and bleaching my hair to platinum Sunday. I really wanted to get it to platinum, so I might have to do it 5 times this time, guys. I just need it really, really bright. But it just looks frosted right now, but we're good. I'm okay. I'm excited because I'm excited to go. I still don't know if I wanted to record some of the stuff I got. I might just record. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna might show like pictures and record a little bit, but I'll just take my lighting equipment home. I guess I will be going the whole week. I wasn't gonna do it, but I think I will because I kind of want to show some stuff when I get home. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Tatiana Green. Follow my blog is Brownskinndgirl. I will be blogging about a lot of this stuff. And I will see you guys on the next video, which I might be in Canada at the time, so we'll see. Bye.